Finally, it's finished. Caustics Heirloom hammer is ready to print. The size is about 140 centimeter, which will be a perfect size for the hammer. You can still change it if you want to. Every part of this model is separate for easy printing.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in.
Like the real hammer, I made a groove to fit the handle in between the base hammer itself for better stability. It goes all the way to the top. I've added a movable lever. I kinda had to, because sometimes in the moment you kind of press things that supposed not to press for a single prop, and you might break the prop eventually. So yeah, you know that.
Story's over now, I must.
Just add a nut and bolt to fit them together after you finish printing it.
Still hanging in the balance, not the.
This model is available on my Patreon right now, so if you want to get one for yourself, then do check it out.
Oh,